Gesengte Sau. I think it looks fairly new. Oh, it's got feet in there. Oh!
It's quite high actually. These be good. Fourth coaster this
They're
is.
cheering.
Okay.
They're cheering.
Is that a good sign?
Whee!
They like the spinners, don't they? Or
Yeah.
the mouse. Wild
Whee!
mices, whatever you say.
Oh! Big drop.
Oh!
Whee!
Oh, I'm glad
that slowed down. I was a bit worried then.
Yeah.
Whee! Oh, we got another drop.
Oh.
Whoa! Hey!
Yeah, nice trim. Oh, cool steep.
Whee! That was on the other ride. Oh!
That was what?
That was the arm to the other ride. Oh! Whee!
Alright, this.
Yeah, I can deal with this. It's a snake on there, on the beach there.
That snake is cool.
Yeah.
Whee!
Whee!
I'm getting a thumbs up for the photo.
Oh, that didn't break.
Quite a long ride.
Yeah, it's quite smooth. I like that. It's going to break hard. Oh no, the brakes were good. The brakes were good. It didn't hurt us.
Hey.
Woo! Right, that didn't hurt.
Yeah.